Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hi, how are you doing, Kalpana ji?
I'm doing pretty well. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. So, what's
Okay.
going on?
Everything going on well.
Okay, so have you completed
Yeah.
your household chores, your household work?
Yes, I have completed.
Okay, so tell me about yourself.
Okay. Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from UP and I am a homemaker and as well as I run a YouTube channel and I have a kid. So that's all about me.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Okay, so let me introduce myself.
yeah,
Hi, this
sure.
is Narinder Kaur. I hail from Rampur, UP. If I talk about my academic credentials are concerned, I am postgraduate. I am very grateful to my teachers, especially my parents, for instilling in me the moral values that have involved me into an extrovert personality. Hard work, dedication, and communication skills are the areas of my expertise. I'm married and
Yeah,
four beautiful souls in my family, my husband and my three kids. And I'm a
okay,
homemaker, but before COVID, I used to do some programs, especially singing programs in AIR Radio Rampur. But at this time, I'm not doing
okay,
any type of job because of my little one. Nowadays, I'm working on my communication skill. I want to improve my language, and yeah, I want to enhance my vocabulary also. So that's why I'm here. Thank you very much.
okay, great. Yeah, so what type of songs you sing? Do you sing?
Every type of song, I can sing every type of song, but most of the time I sing religious type of songs, Shabad Kirtan in Gurdwara Sahib.
Okay,
And apart from this, I can sing any type of Bollywood Hindi songs, old
okay.
song,
So
song.
you
Yeah,
this is your hobby or
yeah, this is my hobby. I like to play
okay,
harmonium, singing, and apart from this, nowadays I'm working on my communication skill. Yeah.
okay, that's nice. I'm also I my hobbies are is also singing. Yeah, I
Okay.
love to sing a song, but I'm not doing like you.
Okay, okay, no problem. It's
Yeah.
our passion only. Singing is our
Yes.
passion. Homemakers
Yes.
love to
Yes.
sing the song. Yeah. So, what type of songs you sing?
Bollywood songs
Okay.
and devotional songs. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, because I think homemakers love or ladies love to sing the devotional song.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It is depend on my mood, what type of songs I want to listen. Yeah.
Okay.
Then I. Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you do in your leisure time?
At this time, when I get free, then I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I'm trying to do session with someone
Okay.
and reading books. And apart from this, my hobbies are singing, dancing, and listening music and
Okay,
reading books
that's
which is
great.
related in English.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yes, and in the case of when we are learning English, we want to improve our English, then we have to reading
Yes.
also, yeah, on the daily basis. So it's a good
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
Then you love reading. Yeah, keep going.
Yes.
Actually, if we are talking to someone, we are practicing. It is also the type of practice as we are talking to someone or other. It doesn't matter he or she is a YouTuber or not, but it is more
Yes.
important
Yes.
he is also the passionate about this language, so it is a very good thing then we are
Yes.
conversing with each other so that we can improve ourselves. Yeah.
I have done my Master of Art in English, but I have never paid attention on my speaking before. Now
Yeah.
I'm focusing on my speaking.
Okay, same here. I have completed
Yeah,
my PG in 2000. I
yeah,
also done my PG MA English, but I have read so many stories, novels. You know very well the what is the syllabus of PG English.
yes,
I have read
yes,
many
I know.
stories or English or fiction, American literature or Indian literature. So there was a Viva also in the last year.
Yes, yes, yes,
But I never practiced of speaking English, and I've never had the atmosphere of English speaking at my place also. So that's
yes.
why we have to learn
That's
this
the
language.
big problem for us.
Yes, yes.
And I
So you
have
are from
also
Hindi
no
medium.
surrounding when I talk to in English. Yes,
Okay. So you are from Hindi medium or English medium school?
I'm from Hindi medium.
Okay, same here. I'm also from
Yes,
Hindi medium school. So I think if would have much practice more in English speaking, so our English would be would be fluent at this
yes,
time,
yes.
as
When
we are
we,
completely in English medium school and we are learning this language in this age.
yes,
So it is very difficult for us. We are facing so many problems. We are homemakers, and you know very well, homemakers are manage. They have to manage so
yeah,
many
to,
things. They have to handle so many hurdles or difficulties, challenges in their life. After that, we are
yes,
learning something, you know.
yeah. In
And and in the case of
starting,
it, have any English spoken atmosphere.
yes, if we have a English spoken atmosphere, then it's going to be easy. But if we have not that type of atmosphere, then it's difficult.
Yes, you're absolutely
Yeah.
right, Reda. Actually, we have to create our environment. We have to
Yes,
create our English speaking atmosphere at our place or surrounding us so that we can improve ourselves.
yes, yes. If we will be take a session daily with someone, then uh, it's helpful for us to be fluent.
Yes, definitely. So tell me about your kid. How
Yeah,
old are
he is 10 years old and he is in sixth standard.
you? Okay, sixth
Yeah.
standard. Okay, so you teach him?
Yes, I teach him.
Okay,
Yeah. When I get time, then I teach him. And I teach some kids at 4 o'clock.
okay. It
Yeah,
means you
that's
are a
why
teacher.
I'm say. Yeah, that's why I'm saying to you, I'm not free at that time.
Okay, no problem. Actually, it is the time for taking the nap actually, because wake up early in the morning at about 6 o'clock for
Yeah.
walking. So, so I thought, okay, if you are comfortable with 3 o'clock, then it's okay. I will get ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you do to learning English? What are you
Okay,
doing to learning English?
okay. As you told that you watch English content video, yeah. I also watch English content videos, conversational videos, and apart from this, I try to speak English with my husband, relatives, friends on phone calls, and try to speak with everyone who is surround me. And apart from this, I read English newspaper daily so that I
Okay,
can
that's
improve
a good.
vocabulary. I want to
Yeah,
enhance my vocabulary.
yeah,
Okay,
that's a good thing.
yeah. And I select a one topic on the daily basis and try to speak at least 10 to 20 sentences on that one topic in front of the mirror. I'm
Okay.
doing mirror practice because I have been learning this language for 3 months only. Before this, I was not aware this regarding this language. Then I should learn this language. I should improve myself. So this, I don't know. I don't think so. But only the 3 months are there. Then I have been learning this language. And
You are doing great.
apart from this. Whenever I go to the kitchen, that time I try to speak in English with myself, not from my mouth, myself only, self speaking. Like now, yeah, I am sifting the floor. Okay, now I am kneading the dough, rolling out the chapati. I'm making this dish. Okay, I'm cutting this vegetable today. Okay, when my little one will come back from school, I will give these fruits. Okay, we will enjoy. So this type of practicing I'm doing daily. This
Yes, in starting, I'm also doing this when I all time means I'm talking to myself in English. Even if I slept at night, then I talk in English in dreams.
Yes, actually, it happens with everyone because if we will not immerse ourselves in this language with full dedication, so we
Yes,
will
yes,
not be able to learn anything. Okay, and if we are thinking about our mistakes or errors, and we think about it, okay, we make mistakes, so we should not try this, we should not speak with someone because we can commit mistake, we can make mistakes. Other person can interrupt us. How can we think about me? So these type of things we should not think, we should not focus. We should focus on
yes,
ourselves
yes.
that we are speaking only.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yes.
we should focus on speaking.
Yeah, and mistakes are natural. They are important too.
Yeah, because
Because
this is our
without
second
committing
language.
mistakes,
It's not
yeah,
our
we
mother
cannot
tongue.
do anything. Yes.
Yeah. So,
So
yeah,
how
and
many languages do you know?
sorry,
How many languages do you know?
I can speak only Hindi and English, but I can understand other languages like Sanskrit and so little bit Punjabi,
Okay,
Urdu, so little bit.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, I want to ask you one question. What is your strength?
If I talk about my strength, then I want to say my hard work, dedication, and communication skill. These are my strengths and
Okay.
ability to do think new things and apart from this, my strength is my education. My strength is my uh,
Okay,
son, my
okay.
kids.
When you are sad, yeah, when you have any problem, then that time what things makes you help to overcome all these things?
Actually, I don't feel this type of problem. I never ever feel because I think I'm a confident person. Okay,
Yeah, that's
so
a good.
yes, I don't think so. This type of situations come in my life, but whenever I feel sad, then I think that my husband is here, my family is here, and I trust in God also. So I think there is no reason to feel sad.
Okay,
Everything
that
will be okay by the growing the time. Okay, so I
yes,
don't feel sad and
I
very
will
happy.
wish for you. You यू क्या बोलना चाहिए आपको कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का सामना ना करना पड़े, वो तो बस मैं क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही पूछ रही थी।
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. It's okay.
Yeah,
Be positive.
so
Be always be positive because
yes,
I
always be positive.
saying
That
this thing,
things make us,
always positive.
yes,
Yeah.
that thing make us helpful for to overcome all these things.
Yes.
Yeah,
And we are in at the I'm talking about myself. I am age of the plus 40. I'm 42 years old. And if I feel scared of, family type of difficulties or, so many challenges as we are facing day to day in our day to day life, then
yeah,
what should we say about our experience? Okay, if we are at the age of growing, then we learn how to face, how to handle the situations or
yes,
of the hurdles in our life.
yes,
Okay,
yes, you're
this is
right.
my experience. Yeah, yeah,
It
I
is,
feel as you are saying, then whenever you feel sad, yeah, I feel sad when I got married. That time, if someone say about me, then okay, you sit with us. Every time you always busy in their reading in your books. Okay, sit with us. Okay, this type of things. But I always focus on my studies from before my marriage and after marriage also. I focus on myself, my studies, my reading book, and my communication. So I never feel like that. Then anybody can give me a moment so that I can feel sad. It's depend on how to.
yeah, this is
Read.
the,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, so now nice talk. I want to wind up the
yeah, yeah,
session.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Sure.
so
It's a
nice
nice talk
talk to you.
to you, Kalpana ji. You
Yeah,
have.
I'm also very glad to talk with you.
Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.